So guys, how to trim video clips in CapCut? It's really simple. Let's create a new project. Tab on top left button. Select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Move to the point from where you like to trim. Select the clip. Press on split. Select the part you want to remove. Then just press on delete. To recover the deleted part, simply press on this button to undo. Now the second way to trim. Select the clip. Then just tap, hold, drag the edge of the clip. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.